This 35 megapascal skid-mounted hydrogen refueling station integrates hydrogen unloading, compression refueling, venting and chiller systems, featuring advanced next-generation compression cylinder technology. It delivers innovative functional integration with low site demands and simple on-site installation. It only requires static grounding, power supply, nitrogen for purging and instrument air, plus connection to a hydrogen tube trailer to operate. Its optimized process ensures power consumption 1 kWh kJt. Standard models range from 500 to 2000 GG 12 hours, supporting flexible deployment for demonstration and commercial applications.